Hi everyone, welcome to Connector Technologies. Today I'm going to explain one more beautiful entry question. So in the AP model, so let's see what it is. So list of payable period close reports available in the AP model. We'll see in detail. Okay. So here we have the list. We'll see one by one. So the very first payable open item revaluation report. What the report will do, so list changes in the value of open item. Open item in the sense it's a AP open invoices, either PO matched invoice or a non-PO based invoice, such as unpaid invoices. Yeah. So here they mentioned very clearly. Then the credit memos due to conversion rate fluctuations. Okay. So that it will provide the list. Then next one we have a payable period close exception report. So in the exception report, we can see the list of unprocessed invoice, like a list of exception that prevent the payable accounting period from closing point of view. Okay. So what are the invoices which are not accounted, not processed, invalidated, unaccounted, invalid accounting. So all the transactions we can see in the period close exception report. So the next one, payable posted invoice register. So what this report it will provide the details, the list accounting lines for the invoices that has been transferred to general ledger. Okay, so what are the invoices which are created that it's moved to GL? So that we can see. The next one, payable posted payment register. So list, what details it will provide, the list accounting lines of the payments that has been transferred to the general ledger, so that it will provide. The next one, we have a payable trial balance reports. What it will do, it will provide the list and subtotal by the supplier and liability account for all unpaid and partially paid invoices that payable transfer to the general ledger. So the last one would be payable unaccounted transaction and sweep report. So this is also very important report. So what it will do, so it will provide the list of invoices and payments that weren't accounted for the period and the date range. Okay, so what are the accounts which are not accounted for the respective period or date range? So those details it will provide in the payable unaccount transaction SIP report. Okay, yeah. So these are the reports which we are going to run every month AP periodical process. Okay, so this is very good interview question. So please prepare yourself, attend yourself, guys. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching the Connector Technologies. Okay, so subscribe for more quality videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.